Hello and welcome to another vlog. Today we are in Shibuya city in Tokyo, Japan, walking along the road to the most expensive shops in the district. While walking around, I spotted Starbucks. While I rushed to it to buy myself a lovely coffee, I found the Bearbrick store, and to my surprise, there it was on the second floor. I've always wanted a Bearbrick, so I decided to go inside. The ladies at the entrance said I couldn't film though because of the fact that a load of people would come and make live videos and take photos of unreleased Bearbricks, and then it just forms a massive queue outside and people can't get in. So they'd rather keep it a secret, and it's only for people that know where the store is to come and buy. You will see what I've bought, and at the end I will show them in more detail. This is a very rich area by the looks of it, where they have loads of Dior shops, Valentino, Louis Vuitton, all the brands you want. It's an up and coming area. Just take a look at this. La bête d'eau, elle est une chose.
Wow, Eli, you're doing great.
Is it okay to film? No? No? Okay. So 500 yen, literally I think £2.76, and this is what they look like. Hoppa! £2.76, my first Bearbrick, a tiny one nevertheless, but I have 3 more boxes, so let's see. This is just a grey one with a B on it, doesn't represent anything. Let's do the second one. The mystery Bearbricks. Oh, looks like a good one. Ooh. Oh, this is Black Adam. sweet. It's on there. I think it's here. The chances are 8%, 8.3% chance you stay here. Let's see what Black Adam looks like. This is Black Adam. Quite cool. DC Comics. Hello, Mr. Black Adam. Let's see. And he was 500 yen too. I mean, we picked 2 pink boxes and 2 grey boxes, just for luck, just to see what's inside them. Let's see. Well, this one's got different packaging. Interestingly enough. Huh. Ah. Let's see. Oh, it's a green one. Ooh. That's a cool one, isn't it? Just like that. Let's see. It's got something written on there. So that's pretty cool. I like this one. So now I have 3, so 500 yen. I see they sell on eBay quite well, to be honest. I'm not really sure on the prices on these ones, but you know. Let's see. Oh, who's he? Horror Emily. Oh. Wow. Oh, she's cool. Horror Emily. Ooh, where's she from? Does anyone know? Nice Bearbrick. I love it. I've always wanted a Bearbrick, and now I have a big one here and 4 little ones. let's put them aside like this. Okay. And I also got these free because I bought the big one. They gave me like a pink one and a grey one. Nothing really. Release campaign special edition, Medicom Toy exclusive, blah blah blah, with the certificate of authenticity. And there's a pink one like this, and there's also the grey one. Actually says Medicom Toy on it. Medicom Toy Toys. Let's open the big Bearbrick, and then I will open. Actually, let's open these 2 cars. I bought these 2 little cars, basically because I like the taxis in Japan, and this is what they look like. And if I can just open them, this was actually like 600 yen, so £3 something. Let's see. God, so hard to open. Let's see. I'm actually pretty interested in what it looks like. I'm not sure. Oh, they're supposed to look like that. But let's get the box there. Oh, that's nice. It's actually pretty nice. Back door's open, so that's pretty cool. Only the back door opens. Yes. The test. Yep. This is what it looks like. Let's get a better view here actually. It's a Hong Kong taxi. It's a Tokyo taxi. See? And he says it's a 2007 Tommy Toyota Crown Comfort. Tomica. Pretty nice. I like it. And this one should go here like this. Yep. Gone. It's like this. Okay, now let's go to the second one real quick. And this one I kind of bought because I liked. I thought it was pretty cool. Looks like this. Excuse the dogs. Let's open quickly because it's getting dark outside. Let's see. Oh, that's a nice one, isn't it? Sounds pretty nice. It's a Gliese wagon. Yeah, actually looks nicer on the box. But yeah. Let's see. Okay. It's pretty nice, I would say. Look at that. Yeah. And it's also by Tomica, Toyota Hilux. Pretty nice. So now let's get on to the big toy, because that's the important one. The big Bearbrick. And I've kept this one here just to open. Okay. Good. Scratching it on the first day. But this, it's a Banksy one, in case you haven't guessed. With a tiny one. So this is my first Bearbrick, which is quite cool. Oh, has the tag on it, the seal. I really like this one. This one is nice. So I smacked it a second ago. So let's put it on the table actually, so you get a better view. So it's kind of like this, with a tiny one next to it. This tiny one comes with it, it's part of the package. As you can see, it's got Banksy print on it. So that's pretty cool, isn't it? See? This one was about £100, £120, and it's about 40 centimeters tall. And that is my Bearbrick. That's pretty cool. Hello, Bearbrick.